Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a mayonnaise and mustard deep fried pork steak. Okay, so first thing you're gonna need about 2 cups of flour. That's what I have here. And I put a teaspoon of salt in there. I put a teaspoon of granulated onion. I put a half a teaspoon of poultry seasoning. And I put a teaspoon of granulated garlic in there. And I put a teaspoon of black pepper. I mean, not black pepper, lemon pepper seasoning. Alright, that's what I put in there. And I put a 1/4 cup of this starch right here in there, and I'll be adding a tablespoon, probably 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of mustard, and that's what we finna ready to do right now. I don't know why I'm holding this phone, so I gotta wash my hands again. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this up. You want your steak to be kind of dry when you do this, because this is going to act as a binder, okay? We don't want moisture on that. So I'm just going to move this one to the side, like so. And you don't need to put no seasoning. If you want to, put some on yours, but it's plenty of seasoning in that bag, okay? All right, let me come in here with this Hellmann's. Now you can use any type of mayonnaise you want to, just as long as it's mayonnaise. Okay, it can't be like no Miracle Whip or something like that, because it's gonna mess up your meat. It got sugar and all that stuff in it, which I shouldn't probably open it up, but I just wanted to show you this because the other one is already open. So yep. So this teaspoon over there. So we're gonna leave that right there. We're gonna take our mustard, about a teaspoon right there. Move this bag out the way, and we're just gonna put this on here like so. Don't be scared to get your hands dirty, guys. And it's gonna be a crispy. Gonna be super crispy and tender. Yep, it's gonna be good. Take this and flip it over here if you want to. Try to get some of this stuff off your hand. You got a spatula, you could use that. I just like to get in here with my hands and do it. We want this all over this pork steak. Okay. I'm gonna flip this one over here, which look like I already did. There. All right. And we're just gonna do the same procedure over this way, which you probably only need like a teaspoon or like 1 tablespoon, because this is a lot. It goes a long ways. Now you can do this overnight, guys, and it would be super good. No doubt about it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands up, and we're going to put this in a bag and take it to the deep fryer. Because this is ready. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is what we're going to do. So just use a tablespoon. So this is a teaspoon, so I put 2 of them on there. And I use a teaspoon, well, a tablespoon of mustard. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this in this bag one at a time, because you're going to have a hot mess if you don't. Alright, so we're not really worried about the bag too much because we're going to throw it away. Alright, gotta get some of this off of my hand. Squeeze the bag. Just like so. One at a time. I'm gonna leave this in there because as long as you leave it on there, the thicker your breading will be. Alright, see you guys over there. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just dusting these pork steak sauce. Just gonna add these in there one at a time. Just like so. Make sure your thing is at 350. I don't want to overcrowd them, but I'm in the deep fryer. That's why I'm doing them one at a time. Alright. Alright, guys, we're going to let this cook for about about 7 minutes, I think. Because it's kind of thick. And then I'll show you how they look when they're done. Of course, you know I'm just eating this by myself, so I'm going to be making me something else with it. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with this mayo and mustard fried pork steaks. This is how it looks. Alright. Of course, you know me, I got to have some sides, so I made some broccoli with some cheese and stuff like that on it, and some rice running. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I thank you for watching. See you guys next time. VELDOGG's Kitchen.